The movie Mahan is about triple role of Amitabh Bachchan. He's Amit and he has two sons. One is Guru and Shankar. Shankar is a cop and Guru is a theatre personality. And he was adopted by Mukri and his wife, who had delivered a dead baby. That is the reason why Nirmala, the doctor, was requested by his brother Mukri to hand over one of the twins which Wahida Rahman had delivered, and unknowingly she did it, but in repentance, because she was not very much happy about the deal. But since she was very much fond of her brother, she agreed. And Shankar grew up to be a cop, a righteous cop. And Guru was a theatre personality, very funny guy, hilarious, and daytime murder, DTM, he used to say, and he used to always bribe his dad, Mukri. And Mukri's height, you know how short he is, so he used to put him on the stool and then he used to talk. And every time he used to bring his mom in the forefront for rescue, because he used to be reluctant in shelling out cash. So this was the most hilarious part of the movie, and even one song is there where it's been choreographed quite well. And this theatre personality, Guru, has done a really good job. He's done really well, Big B. So now let me come to the plot. He is the notorious guy Amjad Khan, who was Vikram, who was his friend, buddy, but he had he had that revengeful attitude because he was jailed because of Shankar. And when he came out of jail, he actually he got his friend Amit accused of a crime which he didn't commit. One of the guy was murdered, and the blame was put on Shankar, the elder one, the Big B, the father, Big B, and he had to abscond. And Wahida Rahman got separated from him, and she was very despondent. She delivered the baby, and she actually dedicated her life in his upbringing. And Praveen Bobby, who was the daughter of Chimpu Kapoor, who was murdered by one of the notorious guy, handed over the child to him, the elder Big B, Amit, and he reared her as his own child. And on the other hand, Zinat Aman was the girlfriend of theatre personality Guru, who later on tied the bond. And here Praveen Bobby was the girlfriend of Guru, who later on tied the knot, and the family reunited in the end, but there were some kind of skirmishes, altercation, and Amjad Khan Vicky was on an injection. If that injection would not have been there, he would have collapsed, but every time he had to do it on his own. But in the last phase of the movie, what they did, he was bereft of that. He was not given that dose, and subsequently he succumbed to his injuries, he died. And the family united, and the best part is the last part, where Shankar had moustache and Guru didn't have, and the mother even got confused because both of them had the same attire, same even the other one, Guru, also donned the moustache, and then the wives were called, and the wives were able to figure it out, who was Guru and who was Shankar, because she pulled from Shankar's Praveen Bobby pulled the moustache, and it got pulled. That means he was Shankar, the cop, and the other one was Guru. So some of the songs are really nice. It's worth watching. 5 stars.